Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Kelsey. I am a 5th year homeschool mom to 3 kids ages 10, 6, and 1. And today I'm going to be showing you what it is like doing our enrichment in our homeschool. So this video is actually in a collaboration with Abby from Rooted and Rest and Jessica from the Waldock Way. It is an open collaboration that they do every month during the school year, and I will include that playlist down below for you guys. So I have to be totally honest, our homeschool the past couple of years, because of personal family issues and just life, we have really a little bit been lacking on certain enrichment. So we don't use a curriculum for things like music or art or things like that. That is something that I would like to start doing in the future, but for now we try to just get things like books from the library, and my kids are really like into drawing and things like that. So we will try to incorporate music and drawing as much as we can. Okay, so here's what's on my list. We're gonna do our tornado experiment. We just finished up our weather unit and did not get to that yet, so we're gonna go ahead and do that. We're gonna do how to make an apple pie and see the world. So we have the book we're gonna do, and then we have the map that we're gonna do with that. And then we're gonna make the pie. There's a recipe in the back. So we're gonna do that. I did cheat and buy the filling, but the crust is the most fun part to make anyways. So we're gonna do that. We're gonna do our Illinois study. So we just finished up Abraham Lincoln and the Civil War, and so we still haven't gotten to our Illinois state study yet. So we're gonna do that. We're gonna do the garden, the curtain, and the cross. This is a new book for us. I just bought it actually for this month. And then we're gonna make our resurrection garden. So that'll be fun. We're going to start our read aloud, The Secret Garden. So we got that. And we're going to start our poetry for the month, A Child's Garden of Verses. So we put the baby to bed probably 15-20 minutes ago, and now we're gonna get started on this stuff. There it is, see it? Look, there it is. See it?
Wow.
Do it again.
Yeah. Can we please keep this and put this inside our room?
Start to loop a little bit. One more time. You ready?
We want to show Dad that.
Ah! There it is.
Whoa! That's cool. Can we please do that again?
A very long time ago, right here in this world, there was a garden. So I had all my supplies, but before we got started with our resurrection garden, I had the kids go out into the yard and get some sticks and some rocks.
Okay. Ready? Is this big enough?
Here. Let's see.
Without the story.
What's your hand?
Let's see. My sleeves are
Oh, okay. There we go.
And just kind of
Yeah. Just flatten it out a little bit.
I need to go wash my hands.
No, you are not done yet. Okay, now we're gonna put this right here. It's gonna be our tomb.
What type
We're
of
gonna
tube?
put
Is that the thing?
dirt over it.
Yeah, remember whenever Jesus came back to life? It was the year, it was really originally people call it Easter, but it was actually Resurrection Day.
right, so here is what our resurrection garden looks like right now. So we're gonna leave it on our kitchen table, and then every day we're gonna just spray it with some water. And I think it says yep, that's what it's gonna look like. I think it says 5 to 7 days. It should start growing some grass like it does on here. So we have our empty tomb, and then here's the rock that rolled away, and then our 3 crosses. They're not the best crosses. And then the kids went and got some rocks, and then we just put some potting soil in here. You could probably use dirt, but it's not a very good time of year for us to kind of dig dirt up out of the yard. So that's what we got in here. And then we put some grass seed in here. We just kind of sprinkled it everywhere. And then, like I said, we're just gonna spray it. And there's that. Okay, so now we're gonna pick a poem out of here. So which one do you guys wanna do?
We're gonna table contents.
Okay.
Shit.
Here's the ones that are garden days.
Ooh. No, which one is it? Night and day, nest eggs, the flowers, summer sun, the dumb soldier,
Soldier,
or the gardener.
There's also autumn fires and historical assistance.
I want night and morning.
Night and day?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, we're gonna read night and day. Okay, sit down, please. Okay. When the golden day is done, through the closing portal, you work on your map.
This little dot goes here.
Yep, that's Sri Lanka, right here.
I already did a couple of lines.
Okay, you already did a couple?
And then what else?
Okay. Okay, so what's the first thing we need?
We need 2 cups of flour.
2 cups of flour. So Liam's gonna measure the first cup, okay? So go ahead and stick it in there. Now, when you're baking, you wanna do this. You wanna get it all on there. And then you take your finger
Whoa.
and you make sure it's flat. Okay? Okay, so there's 1 cup. Okay, Nolan? Okay, it's not very much in here, so I'm gonna grab it.
It's
Okay?
green, just like a sour apple.
What did I say? Okay, dump the other one in. Dump it in. Good job. Okay. So now.
Where my sneeze?
All right, Nolan, you want to do our teaspoon of salt?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Go ahead and dump it in. Okay.
That takes a lot.
Now, Liam, you're gonna mix it together.
Uh-oh, I was worried.
You're gonna mix it together, Liam.
Okay. Here, let's see.
There you go.
You had to kind of like do
Okay,
this.
whisk it together.
Okay.
Mix the salt and the flour together.
I'll let Nolan mix it too. You want to mix some more? We're taking turns mixing.
Okay, so remember, we said we need 1 cup of butter. This is half a cup, so we need how many sticks for 1 cup? Right. Okay, so what we're gonna do is,
You gonna rub it inside you?
yes, we're gonna rub small pieces of cold butter into the flour mixture with our fingers until they're the size of
I don't want to
peas.
do that.
You don't want to do that? Do you want to do it, Nolan? Here, do this one first, Nolan.
Also, it's his first time doing his own
This being not like it.
apple pie. I did mine in kindergarten before too.
And did you hate doing that part?
No, I loved it because I was actually into the mood for gooey stuff. I don't really like gooey stuff anymore.
Mm.
What
So I forgot that Liam did the state study last week already. We just haven't read our book yet, so we're just gonna go ahead and read that. And then we will read The Secret Garden while we wait for our pie to cook. All right, let's sit down. I don't have much battery left. A is for the arrowheads hiding in the ground. Special tools from long ago waiting to be found. The kids are doing a brain break. It's just something on YouTube. They like to do different ones.
It's afraid. Mom needs to start at the fries.
Especially when it's kind of cold out and stuff. Do you want to do it too? We have a guest who woke up.
No.
Do you want to go do it too? You like to do it too, huh?
I'm trying my hardest.
You do it too? Yeah. Oh, that's not yours.
Green are the corn stalks. Green.
So on this particular day, we did a video. It is called Storytime Symphony or Symphony Storytime, something like that. It is available on YouTube. And we tried to pick a book that was a little bit garden focused. And it was actually also in Spanish. So that was really fun for them to do. They also love doing Art Hub for Kids videos, and today they decided to draw an apple, but there's lots of different garden ones on there. I'm sure we will be doing the rest of the month. So our pie got a little burnt here. I should have been checking on it sooner, but I was trying to do a million other things. So I think it'll still be okay. The kids will still probably eat it, and I think we're gonna eat it while we're doing our read aloud, or we'll probably eat it tonight for family movie night, one or the other. Okay, let's see. There's yours. Pass one down, please. All right, it might be hot. Go ahead and try your pie.
Try the ice cream part first.
Well, you try it with the pie. You don't just eat
Oh.
the ice cream.
Mmm.
What do you think?
Good.
You made that yourself. Oh my. Ivy's like, excuse me, where's mine?
Mmm.
Good? Okay, so while they're eating their pie, we're gonna start the secret garden. I'm gonna get Ivy a snack too. All right. There's no one left. When Mary Lennox was sent to Misselthwaite Manor to live with her uncle, everybody said she was the most disagreeable looking child ever seen. It was true too. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed our video today and getting to see a look inside our enrichment in our homeschool. Please do not think that this is what we do every single Friday, because it is certainly not. Everything just kind of fell on the same day, and I thought it would just be a really fun day to kind of combine it all. I also didn't mention in the video that we actually were a part of a homeschool enrichment group this year. So from about August to March, we actually just finished it up last week. We were a part of a homeschool enrichment group on Fridays, and so my son was in a like manipulative play music type class where he was in there in kindergartner, and my 4th grader chose not to participate this year, so he wasn't in anything, but they were both talking about doing maybe like a music class or a Lego class or maybe an art class or something in the future. So those are definitely options for enrichment in the future. But again, I hope you guys enjoyed this. We try to do a little bit of everything here and there now and then. Like I said, we don't really have a set curriculum on any of our enrichment. We kind of just do fun little projects and things here and there. So thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to check out that playlist down below for the collaboration, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.